What's better than homemade pho? Fresh homemade noodles swimming in that hot aromatic broth. So let me show you how easy they are to make. Starting with the batter. Now pour about 1/4 cup of batter to a 6 by 8 inch glass pan. Use less batter for thinner noodles. Steam the pan on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. As that's steaming, get your pan ready to go. Notice we don't need to grease the pan as the batter has oil in it. I'm using a pizza cutter to slice my noodles. I find it's much faster to cut one sheet at a time versus stacking the sheets and cutting and then separating them. But if you're not ready to serve them immediately, they do keep better stacked. Continue the process until all your batter is gone. This should make about 12 6 by 8 sheets. 3 sheets are a hearty serving. These noodles are so great pan-fried with black bean sauce, scallions, and bean sprouts, or for pad thai. The options are endless. But for now, enjoy them in your piping hot bowl of pho.